right below his ear, running down his jawline. And the trick to this is you don't want that line to be very apparent. There's going to be a line when you wash, and you want to kind of blur that line out by blending it. So after you apply it, you just get your brush wet and just blend that line out into the skin around it. And the great part about this is if you go too hard or it doesn't look right, you can just put some flesh paint over that real quick and fix it. Like it's not a big deal. Always thin layers when you're painting, because you can always add another, but you can't take one off. All right. And this will go up to his hairline, and we're gonna work on that next. And don't forget the upper lip. You leave the bottom lip unhighlighted, unshaded, or you could go back later and paint it more of a natural kind of pink. Give me 1 second, let me fix that. There we go. Because a 5 o'clock shadow, as you look on yours truly, it doesn't really, there's no delineated line, it just kind of fades into, right? So the line, getting rid of that line is the most important thing. Okay,